What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited. Super excited because, well, first of all, I filmed some stuff about a week ago with the Maxima and I really want to show it to you. And there's something new with the Jetta. But first, let's go watch the video I filmed about the Maxima and let me explain to you what it is. Basically, we took some measurements and then we decided to cut some sheet metal into the car in order to do some room for the side exhaust and also the louvers on the hood. It's going to be filmed as like a small music video, so please don't mind. You'll see there's no one talking at all. But after that, I'm going to show you what's new on the Jetta. And I think it's like the last part of the puzzle, so I'm super excited about this. So let's watch the video and then I'll be back. Today's the day. Yeah, we are actually gonna work on the Maxima and do a video on the Maxima. So many people are asking me, what's going on with the Maxima? Well, you're going to see some stuff with the Maxima, and to be in this old Fast and Furious vibe, I decided to take the Jetta. As you watch this video, I know the rear seat is not in, but yeah, it's done right now. saw what's going on with the Maxima, let me explain to you. So now that you saw the video with the Maxima, basically there's not a lot of custom work done yet to the car, as you can see from the video, but these were the crucial detail that we had to do just about right, because the thing is, there's no other Maxima replica made right now. Well, I think there's like one tribute car, but like a real full-on like replica, there's not a single one. So I had to take measurements from my cell phone, take pictures from the magazine, then scale that out. It was hard, but anyway, now that this is done, please let me know, by the way, in the comment down below, if you love these kind of small like after movie music video that I just did with the Maxima in what you just saw. Let me know in the comments. But now let me show you what's new with the Jetta. For the past 3 years, I've been wanting that part so freaking hard. The thing is, with the Jetta, almost everything is custom made. Like the interior is crazy custom work, and there's not a lot of picture of the rear seat. Matter of fact, most of you think that the rear seat in the Jetta is just two custom Sparco seat welded together in some sort. It's not that at all. So let me show you right now what's new with the Jetta, because that's the rear seat. It's been just installed, and it looks so freaking good. Let me show it to you. So as you can see, we've got the rear seat installed. We've got the PlayStation 2 with the remote, the belts, everything is just perfect. Of course, there's some improvement that we need to do in the interior still, like small details. I still need to order the nitrous gauge, but it's like $300 and I'm not ready for that. But in the back, there's going to be the VHS player. Yes, VHS. And there's going to be the rear deck is going to be completely custom work. But so far from the interior, now it looks freaking amazing. I really love this. Yes, the PlayStation is functional, and inside there's a copy of Need for Speed Underground 2. Let's face it, this is like the best game ever by far. But anyway, this is the new part for the Jetta. What's next for the Jetta? There's still some stuff to do. I got all the audio work, I got all the audio equipment that I need now. So we are going to do the sound system next. Super excited about this too. It's going to be awesome, because I think that's the only thing left to do with the car. At least you don't see the sound system in the movie, so people are not aware of what it looks like, but it's going to be like the real car, trust me. So now when you are in the car, when you're sitting in the car, it looks like this. And in the back, you got the rear seat. It's so freaking cool. Okay guys, so this is going to wrap up the video. It was a bit different, but there's going to be a lot of video released this week. Matter of fact, the video that you're watching right now will be released the same day I'm filming it. Like this part, after filming this part, I'm literally going back home, putting this part of the video inside the video of the Maxima and everything, and upload the whole thing to YouTube. So it's going to be a very special week. My goal is to release 3 videos this week for 3 different cars. So stay tuned. There's going to be a video about the new design on the Civic Type R, and also a video about the new car I just bought for the fleet. It's going to be a complete new project. So stay tuned for that, guys. And if you like that video, please don't forget to subscribe. It's very, very important. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment. Like I said, I really want to know, do you like these kind of music videos of us working on the car? Because I feel like there's a bunch of people that were with us that day, and a lot of people speak French. They don't speak English whatsoever. I feel like it would be kind of dull for you to watch a bunch of people speaking French. So that's why I decided to make that video like a music video. Let me know what you think in the comment down below. I'm open to everything. If you got suggestions, stuff like that, let me know. But now I need to go drive back home ASAP and upload that thing so you can watch it. Guys, it was a pleasure as always. I see you in the next one. Goodbye.